Hello everyone. Today on this juncture, I feel grateful to Herky community which has nominated me for her Rising Awards leader category. And they have asked a small piece of video from me where I can detail out my personal journey and professional journey and why do I think that I fit, as an award winner in the leader category. So today with all of you, I will be sharing my personal journey and professional journey. Do support me on this video, share as much as possible, share with people so that the views on this video increase, and the views will actually make me a more stronger nominee for the awards. When I look back into my life, I was born and brought up in Delhi, and throughout in Delhi I have worked, I have progressed during the journey of my life. As every parent, my parents also wanted to give me the best. So they gave me the best of the education. Today I stand thankful to them with my wholehearted, gratitude. They gave me education from the best of the schools of Delhi. I topped in 10th and 12th standard. And thereafter I did my B.Pharm and I was selected on a merit basis in Delhi University, DIPSAR. And I continued my education and I post-graduated in I did an MBA, PGDBM program from Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management. So it was a pleasure always to get associated with institutions which mean pride to everyone today. If you look at the names of these institutions. I'm thankful to my parents because they didn't give me just the institutions or the right to select those institutions, but at the same time they gave me confidence, the confidence to dream whatever I wish to achieve in my life, the feeling of freedom that yes, you can do it in life. That is why I'm very, very thankful to my parents today. After completing my technical qualification, that is B.Pharm, Bachelor in Pharmacy, and also completing my post-graduation in PGDBM, I then, joined Janssen Select Pharmaceuticals, which is a sister concern of Johnson & Johnson in sales, pharmaceutical sales. Because my dream was always to pursue a career in pharmaceutical marketing and healthcare marketing. But before having experience of sales, you cannot, graduate up to marketing. So that is why this Janssen Select gave me an opportunity to get experience of sales. I graduated into Janssen Select Pharmaceuticals, but even before my actual role began, we had a lovely, enthusiastic training full of rigor where we were taught not just the technical part of the job, but also, soft skills like perseverance, persistence, dedication, discipline, and I can't thank the organization enough. And after having completed that 21-day training in Lonavala, I came back to Delhi and started with my role of a product specialist, which I continued for a matter of 10 months, and I did it with all rigor, all discipline, all enthusiasm, so that I can learn as much as possible about the pharmaceutical sales and about the industry, it being the first professional journey of my life. After getting an opportunity of product management, then I scaled from Janssen Select to different reputable pharmaceutical organizations, first in the role of product manager, then senior product manager, and then group product manager. And as I was promoted into different designations, I was always focused on one thing, that I'm not working for a designation, but I'm working for the role and for the responsibilities for which the organization is relying upon me. That is why the direction I always had was aiming towards quantified results. And in the process, I was getting built as a professional, as a sound professional, which I still, I'm thankful to each and every senior, each and every leader who came into my life, who is responsible about overall grooming as a professional. So after completing the first 2 seasons of my life, that is, academics, as a child, as an adult, as a young adult, then as a, professional, developing myself across the organizations. Now the different season of my life began, and I was married then I was planning a family. So, the extensive travel which my job demanded, I could not take it forward from there. So I decided maybe I will take up an office job, a completely an office job. So I tried to switch to KPO sector in life sciences. And a rigorous round of interview happened for me. I cleared 5 rounds, and then I joined a reputable KPO in Gurgaon in the life sciences segment, and I continued there as a team lead, as a manager, and a lot of young people were reporting into me. That organization literally taught me what is productivity, what does it mean to be productive, and what does it mean to be managing your hours of the day, and how much productive you should be, and how productive your team has to be, how a team has to be built, what does it mean to have team spirit and to build your team. So I'm again thankful to all seniors, all peers, all community members who were there in that KPO journey with me. And then came a day when I decided to call it quits from the corporate world, because it was the phase of my life when health needed attention, because I was planning my family, and a beautiful daughter had already entered my life. And when I decided to call it quits, somehow I was the happiest, because somehow I was focusing more on the freedom part of it than from the than from the secured income that was coming my way through the corporate job. Every month I was getting a secure salary, but somehow after the resignation I felt freer than ever. I don't know why, but I felt that freedom, and that felt like a luxury. But at the same time, I was very confident, I was very determined that I'm going to start something on my own in the world of freelancing. So during the notice period after my resignation, I thoroughly enjoyed my life. I went for a trip with the friends, and after 10 days of my last day at office, I got my first project of freelancing. I can't thank some of the people who recommended me, some of the people through which I could get my first project in freelancing. I explored further in pharmaceutical industry, in publishing industry, in healthcare industry, and I kept getting ad hoc projects as well as consulting projects in pharmaceutical industry, because I had recommendations behind me. I had a progressive experience behind me. So people, involved me as a consultant, and I had to go to office one single day, and the rest of the days I was working from home. So I again can't thank people who supported me during my journey. And today, with great pride and honesty, I can tell you all that I have built a team of 10 to 12 people, like-minded individuals, like-minded professionals, who have been in this journey of freelancing, and thereafter starting a company called Prep for Success, wherein we are working on ad hoc projects as well as focused projects, and I'm staffing people based on their skill sets on different projects. And during the process, on the job, I have even ventured and jumped into the field of digital marketing, because today you cannot stay away from digital world. As we have moved from industrial revolution to now digital revolution, and now the next coming up, the AI revolution, you really can't stay away from what is trending. So I also on the job learned digital marketing, the various skills that are required, the various people I need to associate with, the kind of team I need to build, and the kind of clients I need to reach. I'm making a presence for myself. I'm making a personal brand for myself today on various social media platforms. I have a dedicated Instagram handle. I have a dedicated LinkedIn handle. I'm making a presence with various entrepreneurial communities. Not just this, I'm trying to aspire the future generations. So initially, I was just doing freelancing assignments, whether it was projects, whether it was pharmaceutical consulting, whether it was pharmaceutical marketing, whether it was editing assignments, but gradually with discipline, with confidence, with faith in myself, with belief in myself, a lot of people came together, and they started joining me through an online community, and we made a team. And today we are doing not just projects on an ad hoc manner, we are also doing a lot of retainership consulting assignments. And I'm proud to say that today in July 2026, I am recognized as a business coach and consultant, and I am helping not just entrepreneurs but small business owners, medium and small scale business enterprises, and also companies and their marketing teams, not just on ad hoc projects but also on retainership consulting assignments. I'm helping them identify their life cycle stage and recommending strong strategic marketing solutions and as to how they can make themselves visible in a digital space, whether it is social media platforms or it is professional networks like LinkedIn, or it is both personal branding and business branding assignments on LinkedIn, or it is generating leads for the businesses in a focused manner. We work based on our clients overall vision, and we suggest strategic solutions to them and implement those solutions. We handhold our clients in that execution, as well as we implement those solutions wholeheartedly for our clients, so that the result orientation is completely clear, as well as it is completely marked. And that is why time and again, not just clients but their teams have also appreciated my team's work, my work. And we have gathered so many recommendations on LinkedIn today, so many recommendations on the online space and also in physical format. Not just this, I'm trying to motivate women who want to start their career after a break, and also the youngsters who are aspiring to become entrepreneurs, or who are aspiring to become young entrepreneurs or young marketeers in the digital space. I'm trying to contribute in my own possible ways. How I am aspiring the future generation? Well, I have started an educational handle on Instagram by the name of Prep for Success by Neeru, where I am bringing the latest marketing, branding and digital marketing updates and insights in order to inspire the younger generation to learn through the platform, to learn through my videos, to learn through my carousels, to learn through my static posts. And that handle is growing aggressively, and I'm thankful to all the support that I've got from my team, from everybody who has been around me. Not just this, I have been associated with a lot of women empowerment communities of Delhi NCR and now of Pan India. Some of the reputable women empowerment communities are joining hands with me. I'm contributing to the communities for educating people, for educating women, for empowering women who are joining careers after a significant break in their careers. And I am becoming instrumental not just to motivate the youngsters who are aspiring to become marketeers, but also the women who want to come back after a career break, and the small scale business owners or the MSMEs who want to drive and make a digital presence for themselves. But with all this happening, I'm greatly and intensely thankful to each and every team member who has associated, who was associated with me or who is still associated with me, who showed a faith in me, who showed confidence in me, to all those community leaders who imbibed faith in me. They gave platforms to me to speak, to deliver, during panel discussions, during expert panels, to all those schools and institutions who gave me an opportunity to either represent as jury or judge for their commerce conclave competitions, and to deliver workshops to some of the university students. I'm deeply thankful and extend my wholehearted gratitude to all of them. And today I'm deeply thankful to Harki community who has given me a chance to nominate myself to the Her Rising Awards, in the leader category. And I would like to, urge each one of you to view this video, to share this video if you like my story, if you personally get inspired by my story. Do like and share so that I get as much views as possible, and this will definitely contribute towards me getting nominated and further getting excelled at the Her Rising Awards. I also wish all the best to Harki community for this upcoming event's success called the Her Rising Awards. Thank you so much, all of you.